Hi friends, welcome back to Glamular Look. I am Priyanka. I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you the review and demo of a very affordable eyeshadow palette, and that is this one. This is the City Mini Eyeshadow Palette by SFR Color, and this is a very affordable palette. The cost of this palette is only rupees 150, which is super duper affordable. So it will fit into anyone's budget, and using this palette only I have created this eye makeup look, you can see. And I just can't believe the pigmentation of this palette. It is so highly pigmented, and it blends really very good. So you can see this eye makeup look turned out so beautiful. I have taken this palette from Cups and Lashes, which is a very good website for affordable makeup products. And recently also I've shared my Cups and Lashes haul with you all. So if any one of you haven't watched that video, then definitely I'll give the link in the description box. Please check out that video because I've shared so many affordable makeup products in that video. So friends, if you want to enjoy more such type of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And if you find this particular video really helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and share. So friends, you can see this palette came in a packaging like this. This is the outer cardboard packaging, and here it's written SFR Color 16 color eyeshadow palette, you can see, and everything is written in white actually, so it is very hard to read. So here it's written at the shade number, that is 01, and the ingredients are also mentioned. It has paraben in it. So friends, we are getting 16 grams of product in this, and the expiry is 4 years. So we are getting 4 years of shelf life in this product. Coming to the palette, you can see the packaging is not at all good actually. It is very flimsy and it is very cheap. Friends, you can see the shades. The shades are so pretty, so beautiful, and there is also a sponge tip applicator given over here. So friends, now in front of you I'm going to use this sponge tip applicator, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm thinking to go for this light shade, this golden sort of shade. It is getting picked up well with this type of applicator. So all the shimmer and satin shades you can pick up with this type of applicators, and you can apply on your eyelids, and it gets applied really well. So I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone a little bit, also my inner corner. So friends, coming to the palette, you can see the shades. There are altogether 16 eyeshadows in this palette. So only for rupees 150 we are getting 16 eyeshadows. So that is a very good steal deal actually. Friends, altogether there are 9 matte shades in this palette, and rest of the 7 shades are foiled pigments. Friends, now I'm going to swatch and I'll be showing you the pigmentation. So you can see the pigmentation a single touch. It is very highly pigmented. So here I'm going to swatch and I'll be showing you these 5 shades. So you can see the pigmentation. Wow, see this particular shade, it's so pretty, gorgeous. So you can see the pigmentation. Basically there are very good bronzy and coppery shades given in this palette. You can see these two are 2 coppery shades. You can see they are so pretty, so beautiful, and these two are my favorites in this palette. And also this green is so beautiful, such a beautiful shade. You can see this particular palette you can definitely use to achieve any daytime look as well as nighttime look, and it will look very pretty. Friends, if any one of you is a college going student or someone who doesn't do makeup on a daily basis, so definitely you can take this type of palette because it is very less priced, and also you are getting so many color options at the same time to achieve any kind of look. The matte shades in this palette are a little bit powdery, and but they do blend well, and definitely if you are a beginner, then in that case it is going to be easier for you to blend these eyeshadows. So friends, you can see the pigmentation of these eyeshadows on my hand. I have shown you all the shades. Also you can see some of the shades are a little bit powdery, like this one over here. This is a little bit powdery. You can see the shimmery shades in this palette. They're so gorgeous, so pretty. As you can see, I have completed my makeup. There is everything on my face, but I have not completed my eye makeup. So friends, I'll be picking up this shade first. So you can see this shade is so pigmented, and it is a little bit powdery. So friends, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this in my crease like this. I'm trying to do a cut crease type of look, and I'm going to deposit it here. I'm thinking to take this shade, this bronzy shade, and I'm going to place this in the middle of my eyelid. And let's see. So friends, I am also thinking to take this shade to the inner V, as you can see. And these type of shades that are shimmery and metallic, they do pick well with finger. So definitely use a finger because they will give much more metallic look, and pigmentation will also be very good with finger. Even if I'm not doing any cut crease, but still then it is giving a very good cut crease type of look, as you can see. So friends, I'm going to take the same burgundy shade, this one, and I'm going to blend it little bit on the outer V of my eye, so that it will give a very good intensity and it will really look good. And I'll also blend that shade with this golden shade. Friends, I feel like I have to apply the bronzy shade once more because the pigmentation has little bit decreased due to the blending. So I'll be using this flat shader brush, and let's see whether this shade is getting picked with this brush or not. Wow. So friends, definitely you can use this particular eyeshadow with any flat shader brush. It is getting really picked well, and the pigmentation is amazing. Friends, also I am thinking of intensifying my outer V a little bit more. So for that, I'm going to take this shade. You can see this purpley sort of shade over here. Picking up this shade with one of my blending brush, a small blending brush, and I'll be intensifying my outer V a little bit. I'm just depositing the eyeshadow over here, and I'm blending it well, and there's very little fallout what I can see. So friends, I'll be using this eyeliner. This is NY Bay eyeliner, Shakti eyeliner in the shade blue, and this one I'm going to use to draw a winged eyeliner. Friends, I'm going to apply this kajal. This is by Stay Quirky. This is Stay Quirky Badass Kajal in the shade black, and I'm going to use it on the outer side of my lash line, lower lash line only. From the mid I'll be starting, and I'll be using it. So on the inner side of my waterline, that is lower lash line, I'll be applying this purple kajal, winking together kajal in the shade Copper, and it is a very pretty shade. Taking the same eyeshadow brush with the same burgundy shade, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit. So friends, next I'm going to finish my eye makeup using this mascara. This is Essence mascara, Essence Lash Princess mascara, and literally friends, I'm obsessed with this mascara right now. It gives such a good volume. So friends, I'm not using any falsies because when I apply this mascara, I need not apply any falsies because it gives such a good look. So friends, now I'll be back with my left eye done. So friends, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup look and the review of this particular eyeshadow palette. Friends, genuinely speaking, I'm so happy with this product, and I highly recommend to you all. Please buy this product. You will not at all regret buying. It is totally worth the money. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.